So let's look here at lesson 14 from Engage New York. We're looking at reflections. So we start out with the exploratory challenge, and our figures that we're given here are triangle ABC, and that's the pre-image. Then we also have the image triangle A prime, B prime, and C prime. We're also given this line DE, which we know is the line of reflection. And what are we supposed to do with that? Well, let's take a look. Our instructions say that we need to use a compass, which I have here, a compass and a straight edge to construct the perpendicular bisector of each of the segments connecting A to A prime, B to B prime, and C to C prime. So let's take a look at that, starting with A to A prime. So A to A prime, we make a line here, and go ahead and have our compass set up. Let's see, it looks like it's set up enough. We've got the point A, and make an arc here crossing the line DE. Well, we're crossing this twice, although DE actually does not go long enough. Then we go to A prime and curve our arc here. And we see, hopefully not too surprisingly, that we have, if we connect those two intersecting points, then we are basically writing over the DE. So when we find our perpendicular bisector, we get DE. Let's take a look at, let's see, B and B prime, just to check that what we're doing is correct. We're going to take our compass and, again, make some arcs, starting then with B prime, making an arc here and an arc there. Here again we see that the line of reflection ends up being this perpendicular bisector. And then lastly, not so big of a surprise here, I'm going to take C. Let's look at our compass and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and we have maybe even a little bit smaller than that. We have C, we got C, and crossing both lines here, and here. And then again we see that the perpendicular bisector is also the line of reflection. We also know that when we take a measurement, let's take a measurement of the length between, this point here, A, and we'll call this O. That's O, not a 0, but an O. And that's about 1.5 inches. And then on the other side, we see that the length is 1.5 inches. So basically, the line AO is equal in measure to the line A prime O.